welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. I want to start off this video by thanking each and every one of you guys for subscribing to the channel. I reached my goal of 1,000 subscribers, so from here on out, we'll see where this goes. I want to thank you once again. Also, comment down below and let me know if you think I should do a 1K giveaway and what should I do for the giveaway. As you can tell by the title of the video, this is probably going to be the end of the series, but we're going to be doing the first start on my Evo X. But first thing we got to do is get the fluids in the car and drain the fuel from the fuel tank and put fresh fuel in it. So the fluids of choice will be for the engine, of course, AMSOIL Dominator 10W30. That's what I've always ran in it since I built the motor, and will continue to do so. For the transmission, I'm going to be using the Redline synthetic oil, the 75W90 NS, which is like the no slip. You wouldn't want to put any of this in your diffs, or I should say your rear diff or your transfer case. For those, I always use the Redline synthetic 80W140. All right, let's get these fluids in the car. Now that we got all the fluids in the car, it's time to get this old gas out of the vehicle. It had E85 in it and it's just been sitting in there for several years. So we're gonna use a little pump, get that stuff out of the tank, and then put fresh E85 in there. Now that we got fresh fuel in there, we need to build a little bit of oil pressure before we fire up the motor. So let's do that. So to get oil pressure to the motor without getting it to fire up, I'm gonna unplug the coil packs, and then also for good measure, I'm just gonna take this fuse out right here. It's a 20 amp fuse that has something to do with the fuel pump. it started. So I gotta button up the car. I gotta get the other axle back on the passenger side and get the wheels on, and then get it off jack stands. And I want to get it out into the driveway and wash this thing up before we go for a drive.